Too nice to stay inside all day. Bees are out. Just wanted to take a walk. There's a nice hill where I'm at. Get a little cardio. Oh yeah. And then there's the mountains. This lens isn't gonna really do it justice, but I tell you, it never gets old. Maybe it's just because I'm not from here. I grew up in Michigan in the Midwest, where it's like kind of flat. So I'm just gonna try and get out like once a day, you know? Hear the birds. I was actually, I got an email from, I don't know, something I signed up from. I don't even remember, right? We probably all have that. It almost felt like it was spam, but I don't know, whatever. I clicked on it anyway. And it's actually this guy who, he does photography and videography and sells his little like classes and stuff. But he was writing anecdotally about how, you know, one of the benefits of, or the silver lining rather, to, you know, the whole coronavirus issue was that he lives in Mumbai, and he said, you know, that's a city that normally is just choked with congestion of traffic and, of course, you know, all the fumes from the automobiles, and he said it's crazy. He said, of course, with this, boom, the whole country's been shuttered, and he said maybe for the first time in his lifetime, he has heard birds, you know. So alhamdulillah, definitely some things to get out and appreciate. I want to see if I can get one of these bees, film one of these bees without getting stung. Yeah, the lighting is midday lighting is of course never the best time to shoot, but just wanted to get out. And I haven't really done up until this thing. I hadn't really done a lot of videography lately. It's labor. It's a lot to do, but alhamdulillah, I'm glad I wound up picking up some of this stuff. It's been really useful. So just gonna spend a little time. This is like some weird little park just up the street from where I live, where they built like some raised beds and some kind of drip irrigation thing. So kind of neat. They say it's a community garden. I don't know if anybody ever eats from it, but wonder what we got up in the trees. Looks like some kids are swinging on something up in the tree. But anyway, gonna wrap up this walk, get back, and then I gotta start on the homeschooling day, which I'm sure a lot of you as parents are doing. So inshallah, see you soon. How you doing?